Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely stunning Ducati Streetfighter V4 S. Here we have a Ducati Streetfighter V4 S. This is a 2024 bike on a 24 plate with just 4,089 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike is in excellent condition and comes in red, of course. You've got the two-tone seat and the pillion deletion kit or single seat unit. We do have the pillion kit for this one as well available should you require it. Petrol tank all in excellent condition, all the bodywork absolutely nothing to apologise for. Bar ends and levers all immaculate, as is the mirror there. You've got your very fashionable wings there as well. Belly pan again all in excellent condition, as you can see there. Standard exhaust again unmarked. Foot pegs again unmarked, and likewise the engine, no sign of any drop damage or any damage of any kind whatsoever. Got a hugger fitted there as well. There's a Ducati tail tidy which is finished in carbon fibre. Marchesini forged wheels, being the S version, and they are unmarked. Brand new tyres on this one as well. Front suspension, of course, is the Öhlins front suspension, and that's all in great condition. And the front wheel, again, Marchesini forged front wheel, no sign of any dents, damage or any kind whatsoever. The front mudguard, again, all good. And the front headlamp, no sign of any stone chips or damage there, no stone chips to the cowl, all in fantastic condition. Brand new front tyre as well, so absolutely nothing to worry about from a tyre perspective on this one. The left hand side of the bike, just like the right, all in immaculate condition. No sign of any damage to the bar end, lever or the mirror. Headlamp cowl all good, as is that Öhlins fork stanchion and the front mudguard and the front wheel. Fins, wings, they're all good, and your tank and bodywork all in excellent condition. Again, the engine undamaged and the belly pan. Up and down quick shifter, of course. Anti-wheelie, all that good stuff. Cornering ABS. Öhlins electronic suspension all around. Swinging arm, excellent condition, of course, and chain sprockets likewise. Bags of life left in those. Rear of the bike on this side again, no boot scuffs or any damage of any kind. The top of the bike, no scratches, no rips or tears in that two-tone seat. There's a Ducati carbon fibre tank pad as well. Colour dash, heated grips, and all your bits and bobs that you want on this superb naked superbike. So if you are looking for a superb naked superbike, look no further than this stunning Ducati Streetfighter V4 S. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this stunning street fighter, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.